Finding of this court that it would be reckless and irresponsible to allow the applicant on bail.
Ngaphambi kokuthi ekhiphe isinqumo, uHlatshwayo uthe abasolwa bebenomsebenzi wokuthi balethe ubufakazi obuphikisana nalokho okushiwo umbuso. Uthi uma ubheka ubufakazi obushiwo umbuso, bubonisa ngokusobala ukuthi bonke abasolwa babe sendaweni yesigameko ngosuku okwabulawa ngalo uAKA noDips.
Looking at the evidence that was presented before me, I note that there is a golden thread that runs through the evidence of Warrant Officer Pillay that connects and places all the applicants at more than one scene together except for applicant 3.
uHlatshwayo uthi umsolwa wesine umuzi weThemba Gwabeni okukholakala ukuthi nguyena ngqondongqondo kulokhu wawuphosela inselele umbuso kulandela ukuphatheka kwegama likasomabhizinisi owaziwayo uMfundo Gcaba. Umeli womsolwa wesibili uLindani Ndimande uthi uzosiphosela inselele yesinqumo.
I think the judgment was not thorough. There are areas of which that needs attention to have a look at.
INPA isemngele isinqumo.
The NPA is pleased with the court's findings. We do believe that we put through a very credible and strong case forward, so we are pleased with the outcomes.
Icala lihlehliselwe umhla ziyisishiyagalombili kuNcwaba ukuze kuphenywe.